Hello everyone, welcome back for another video, welcome back for another workout. One dumbbell I have here, 25 kg. For those who are following me, you should be familiar with this weight, with this dumbbell. Full body workout, 5 exercises, 3 sets. Nice and smooth, we are working as always. So take a deep breath first, let's warm up and then we're moving forward. Exhale. One more. Exhale. Starting from the left leg, raise it in front and let's rotate it backwards. Nice and smooth, 10 times. 1, 2, we're gonna start with squat first. 3, that's why we need to have good warm up. 4, 5, 6, 7, nice. 8, 9, 10, last one, open your knees towards the side, push it up, hold 3, 2, 1 and switch, right leg and up, 1, 2, go ahead, 3, nice and smooth, 4, awesome, 5, go jab, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, grab your knee, push it towards the side and up in the same time, hold 3, 2, 1 and release. Nice one. Right knee on the ground, left leg open towards the side, remove your hips forward, take a deep breath and open up. Hold few seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and switch. Right leg, hips forward, take a deep breath. Exhale, drive. Nice. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and back up. Awesome. From here, let's warm up quick our arms as well. Lock your palms in front, push your wrists forward, keep your arms straight. From here, take a deep breath. Exhale and drive up. Good one. Grab your left elbow, push it towards the right side. Switch, grab your right elbow. Okay, release. Awesome, quick warm up. Let's get started. First exercise, 12 reps, sumo squat, dumbbell in front of you. We're gonna squat nice and easy, 12 reps. Simple. I'm reminding you, if you are not familiar with heavy weights, please use something lighter and just be consistent and practice. This is the most important thing for me. Here we go, first 12. Take a deep breath, rotate your toes outside. 12 and 2, nice and smooth. 3, 4, 5, 6, nice. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Awesome, good one. Take a deep breath. Exhale. The next one will be also legs. We're gonna open our legs towards the side wider. We're gonna do side lunge. So right, squeeze back, left, squeeze back. Right, squeeze back, left, squeeze back. We're gonna do 20, left, right, 10 and 10. Take a deep breath first. Here we go. Up towards the left side first. And 2, nice. 3, 4, drive your head back. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 1, 2, awesome. 3, keep moving. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Release. 2 leg exercise. The next one will be for our upper back. Upper back and neck, people have big problems with this. So I really want you to gain more strength there. In general, you should have like really strong back and legs for your daily life. I'm not saying about like being a bodybuilder or becoming like too wide, too big strength, the most important, and of course, muscle mass. 12, what we're gonna do, we're gonna hold the dumbbell like this, fall forward a little bit, then our elbows drive towards the side, we're gonna squeeze our upper back. So mainly, as you can see, your upper back is working. Dumbbell will be in front of you, you're gonna squeeze your upper back. Elbows goes towards the side. You need to start working from your scapula first, upper back, and then drive your elbow towards the side and up. Do not use only arms. Okay, 12. Take a deep breath. Hips go backwards. Let's work, squeeze. 2, nice. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 2 more, 11, 12. Nice one. Free exercise will be body weight, 2 more will be, free exercise will be with weights, 2 exercise will be body weight. The next one, what we're gonna do is, I need to place my dumbbell towards the side. We're gonna do plank position on our elbows, but every time when we open our arm straight forward, leg drives towards the side. So let's go. Our left arm drives forward, right leg opens towards the side, and then we switch. Right arm in front, left towards the side, and towards the side. Here we go. We're gonna do 20 times. Left, right, 20. Take a deep breath. Okay, elbows, exhale. Here we go. Right arm in front first. 1, 2, nice. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 more. 1, push. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, this was the 4th exercise, right? The 5th one will be just core, simple core. Lie down on our back. We're going to raise our upper body and drive our arms towards our toes. So your legs should work as well. Straight legs, straight arms. From here, you're going to raise up, touch with your arms and toes, and back. Raise up and back. Try to keep toes a little bit higher than you can touch with your arms. Here you go, 12. Take a deep breath. Rotate your pelvis, keep your back flat, straight legs, straight arms. Let's work. 2, nice. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. If you cannot do this variation, you can do with one leg will be on the ground, or you can just do whatever you can. You can just work only with your leg, or you can just do a little bit, just like until here, without raising your upper back too much. Find the variation that is suitable for you and just keep moving. Okay, now back. Round 2. Take a deep breath. Let's continue. Squat, 12. Knees, toes towards the side, keep your lower back straight, and squat. Here we go. 12. 2, nice. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Awesome. Rest a bit more and we continue. Next one will be side lunge. What I call it side lunge. Please, when you are doing this, bend your knee, try to move your hip backward. So the most important is moving your hip backward. You need to feel your glute, hamstrings a little bit more. Okay, 20, left, right. Take a deep breath. Open your legs wider. Grab. towards the left side. And 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, go ahead. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Ladies, awesome. Not bad, not bad. Whew. Afternoon, second session. I was in the morning on the spot, recording full body on the spot with CV. I really enjoy salty, windy weather, because today in the morning was a little bit windy, so I was thinking, I was watching the weather and it was saying that afternoon will be raining, but as you can see, it's not raining at all. Okay, upper back. Don't forget, squeeze first your upper back. Take a deep breath. Exhale. Grab hips backwards. Let's work. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Awesome. Good one. Core and abs, and we are done with round 2. And then one more round. 5 exercises, 3 rounds, not bad. Not bad at all. Okay. Towards the side, get ready. Take a deep breath, knees on the ground, elbows on the ground. Lock your core low back. Let's get started. 20, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, push, 8, 9, 10, 1, go ahead, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Awesome, my friends. Not bad. Take a deep breath. Exhale. Here we go. Core 12. Don't forget, if you cannot do 12, you can do 6, 8 reps. Find the suitable range for you. Straight legs, arms. Here we go. And 12. 2, 3, 4. Nice. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And up. Awesome. Sunny vibes, working out. What can be more perfect, my friends? Investing in your healthy lifestyle, even like with this kind of busy life, being a parent or like doing some business or whatever. Just, it's a must have in your life right now, because too much like technology will kill you if you will just be seated, or you will not be so active as you should be. Okay, take a deep breath. Round 3, squat, 12. Another one. Up. 12. Let's work. 2, nice. 3, squeeze. 4, push. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Awesome. Whew. Flying and burning at the same time. A little bit more rest. Side lunge. Don't forget, push your knee outside. Feel stable, feel strong. If you find it even difficulty using weights, you can do only body weight first. And also this workout, you can just do only body weight. It's okay. Same, 12 reps first exercise, 12 22nd one, third one. The third one will be just without too much tension in your upper back. But anyway, if you squeeze your upper back, you will still feel something. Okay, take a deep breath. Exhale. Legs towards the side. We're gonna do 20. Here we go. Up. Left side first. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Awesome. Good one. Yesterday in the morning I hit legs, and then afternoon I was also working out at home with my kettlebell. And today, not too heavy, 2 workouts. Morning was more like strength, mobility, full body. Right now is more like strength training with weights. Not bad. In some days I'm going more heavy, some days not. So it is how it is. But I really like this kind of like the press and the tension in my body. Okay, take a deep breath. Exhale. Back. 12. Squeeze up. 2. Nice. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Awesome. Here we go. 2 more things to go. Core, abs. We are done. Well done. Good job. And just move forward. Life should not be easy. Here we go. Elbows on the ground. Take a deep breath. Straight legs. Left side. 2, 20. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 more. 1, push. 2, push. 3, nice. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Not bad. Take a deep breath. 1 more exercise to go. Awesome, my friends. Here we go. 12. Lie down, rotate your pelvis, straight legs. Work. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Awesome. Okay, take a deep breath. Let's finish with down dogs. Hold. 10, 9, 8, 7. Hold. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Step backward with your legs. Upper facing dog. Knees on the ground. Hold. 3, 2, 1, and back down. Awesome. Nice one. Quick one. Take care of yourself. Wish you all the best. Peace out.